How to turn off price alert on AvaTrade. Welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you're trying to turn off the price alert on AvaTrade, then it's pretty simple. So first of all, launch open the AvaTrade application on your device, and once you're logged into the home page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the horizontal menu button. Once you're inside this page, click on alerts. You'll then be able to see any alerts that is yet to be notified. If you want to delete the alert, simply tap on the cross icon right next to the active alert. Now click on delete and you have successfully removed the alert from AvaTrade. Your price alert is now turned off and you won't receive notifications for it anymore. If you ever want to set alerts again, then you can do it in a few simple steps. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.